Hello, hi, my name is Tondwa. Thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. And today I will be answering a question posed by someone on my comments regarding how to create a UNISA online profile. Not UNISA, I mean Nsfas. Eh, I'm used to UNISA. Nsfas. So you click Nsfas online application, and then don't click this first link because it's always redirecting, neither the second one. Come to this shorter one here. It's the one that does not redirect, it goes straight, because people have been saying no, it's redirecting, we are not going to where we want. Now when you get here on the first page of your Nsfas, please don't do the mistake that other people are doing and saying it's resulting into not working. It's because they're clicking these three buttons on the top right. If you want to create a profile, you click in the middle or in between where it's written my Nsfas here. My Nsfas. Yeah, boy, it turned blue to show that it has been clicked. This one won't redirect. You see now. Welcome to my Nsfas. This is where you log in, create a profile, you enter your details in the box, you enter, you create your password and everything. And then once you are done to create your profile, that's where you can be able to log in to your Nsfas. So this is how you create your Nsfas profile. Simple as that. Thank you so much for following my YouTube channel, and keep on subscribing and also sharing this link. God bless you.